ClickHouse scans billions of rows in real time and answers in milliseconds. It is free, it is Apache 2.0, and it installs with one command. By the end of this video, you will have a billion-row database running on your laptop, and you will know why the biggest names in tech quietly run on it. ClickHouse sits at 47,950 stars on GitHub with 8,500 forks and commits land every single day. Over 100K developers use it, and a stable release ships every month like clockwork. It started inside Yandex, the Russian search giant, powering web analytics at a scale most companies never see, and it went open source in 2016. And here's the thread to hold on to. One AI lab you definitely know credits ClickHouse with helping ship its flagship model. Keep that in mind. We will get there. This is not a side project. The ClickHouse organization on GitHub maintains 330 public repositories, and the company behind it raised a $350 million Series C in May 2025 at a $6.35 billion valuation, then another $400 million in January 2026 at a reported $15 billion. Investors are betting that real-time analytics is the backbone of the AI era. For you, that translates to something simple. The open source core is funded, actively maintained, and not going anywhere. That is the kind of buzz factor you want underneath a production database. Pull up clickhouse.com on your phone and the pitch is right there. The fastest and most resource efficient real-time data warehouse, now positioning itself as a database for AI. Scroll down and you hit the wall of logos: Meta, Spotify, Cloudflare, Sony, Deutsche Bank, Tesla. These are companies pushing petabytes through analytics pipelines every single day, and they are not doing it for the aesthetic. The promise they are buying is simple: column-oriented storage that the team claims is at least 100x faster than traditional row-based databases on analytical queries. That claim is doing a lot of heavy lifting, so in a moment I will show you what it looks like against a real dataset with 100 million rows in it. So how is that speed real? 4 ideas stack on top of each other. ClickHouse stores data by column, not by row. So a query touching 3 columns reads exactly 3 columns off disk and skips everything else. Execution is vectorized, processing values in batches that saturate every CPU core instead of crawling row by row. Columnar data compresses brutally well, which means less disk, less memory, and less I/O on every query. And the MergeTree storage engine absorbs millions of inserts per second while staying query ready the whole time. None of these ideas is magic on its own. The magic is an engine that has been tuned around all 4 for a decade. Let us actually run it. The install is genuinely one command. Curl the website and pipe it to shell, and you get a single binary with no dependencies. Now, here is the part that feels illegal. clickhouse-local gives you the full engine with no server and no setup. Point it at a Parquet file sitting on the public internet. This one is the ClickBench dataset, almost 100 million real web hits. And just write SQL against the URL. Count it, group it, aggregate it. Watch the summary line under each result. It chews through tens of millions of rows per second on ordinary hardware, streaming the file straight from object storage. No cluster, no warehouse bill, no import step. That is the demo that has converted a lot of skeptics. Zoom out to the open source OLAP space and the picture gets clear. Apache Druid, StarRocks, and Apache Doris are all serious engines sitting in the 12 to 15,000 star range. DuckDB, the in-process darling of data engineers, is at 38,700, and ClickHouse leads the entire category at nearly 48,000 stars. Now, stars are not benchmarks, but they are a decent proxy for community size, documentation depth, and hiring pool. And in databases, the ecosystem, you can Google your way out of trouble with matters almost as much as raw speed does. Here is the repository itself. One of the most active C++ code bases on GitHub. Nearly 2,900 people have contributed, with more than 76,900 pull requests merged since the project went public in 2016. The releases page reads like a metronome. A new stable version lands every month, nearly 800 releases in total. And the latest, version 26.4, shipped just days ago. There is even a public community call for every monthly release. When you are betting your infrastructure on an open source project, this is the heartbeat you want to see. Relentless, boring, monthly delivery year after year. And here's the payoff on that thread from the start of the video. The AI lab on ClickHouse's customer wall is Anthropic. Their team says ClickHouse played an instrumental role in helping them develop and ship Claude 4. Think about what that means. Training and serving frontier models generates absurd volumes of telemetry, evaluations, and usage data, and somebody has to query all of it fast enough to actually steer the ship. Turns out, the answer was the same free database you can install in one line. Follow the money and you can see the conviction building. ClickHouse Inc. was valued around $2 billion when it raised its big round in 2021. By May 2025, that $350 million Series C priced the company at $6.35 billion. 8 months later, a $400 million Series D reportedly pushed it to $15 billion. The valuation roughly doubled, then doubled again. You do not have to care about venture capital. But funding at that scale pays for hundreds of full-time engineers working on the open source core that you get for free. Here's what adopting it actually changes day to day. The old playbook, you batch data into a warehouse overnight, dashboards lag, hours behind reality, and every wide scan shows up on next month's bill, so everyone learns to be afraid of querying. The ClickHouse playbook, events stream in at millions of rows per second, dashboards answer in milliseconds over the raw data, and the same engine runs anywhere, from your laptop to a cluster with thousands of nodes. Same SQL, same data. The difference is whether your analytics describe yesterday or right now. Quick scoreboard before we wrap: 47,950 stars, 8,500 forks, around 2,900 contributors, nearly 800 releases, and it is Apache 2.0 licensed, which means you can run it, modify it, embed it, and ship it commercially with no strings attached. There is a managed cloud offering if you would rather someone else carry the pager, starting at $50 a month, but everything you saw in this video runs on the completely free self-hosted core. So that is ClickHouse, a column store born inside a search engine, hardened by a decade of production abuse and now quietly powering the AI wave. The repository and website are linked in the description. The install really is one line, and pointing clickhouse-local at a Parquet file is the fastest way to feel the speed for yourself. If this video earned it, subscribe for a new open source deep dive every week. And tell me in the comments what database you are running your analytics on today. I will see you in the next one.